Hi there, students. Depraved, an adjective, and to deprave, the verb. Okay, depraved, if you call somebody depraved, you're saying that they are morally evil. They're immoral. They're a bad person. So, a depraved character, a depraved mind, somebody who could treat a child like that must be totally depraved. Yeah, perverted. Yeah, depraved. If you call someone depraved, this is very critical. Yeah, you think it's just morally wrong. So yes, depraved, marked by corruption or evil. Yeah, a depraved attack, perverted. This is the work of a depraved mind. So the verb to deprave means to corrupt morally, to make evil. And I think mostly we just see the adjective depraved because I think it's quite difficult to deprave someone unless they really want to be depraved. Yeah? Okay, so depraved. Yeah, it's difficult to deprave things. I was wondering if you could deprave the environment, but I think not, because that would say you're corrupting it morally. We're not just. This is to do with the depraved is the difference between good and evil. So if someone is depraved, they're decadent, debauched, degenerate. He lives such a depraved lifestyle. Yeah, he's always debauched. Yeah, he's dissolute. Yeah, warped. His indifference to human suffering is totally depraved. The depraved ideals of some political parties that believe not all men are equal. They believe some people are better than others. This is depraved. It's morally wrong. It's morally corrupt. Okay, so depraved, perverted. Yes, this film has been condemned as morally depraved. It's perverted and evil and vicious. Yeah, it could deprave minds, perhaps. Yeah, he's just so depraved. So notice, don't confuse this verb deprave with the verb to deprive, to withhold something from somebody. Okay, maybe you could have a verb, deprivation. The deprivation of his ideas was disgusting. Yeah, the material was so depraved that I just couldn't listen to it. I couldn't read it. Yeah, it was just something that I couldn't get. I couldn't listen to. It was perverted and extremely wrong. But notice, wrong in a moral sense. Okay, call somebody depraved. This is a severe criticism. Yeah, you're criticizing them very strongly. I think on the note of formality, I think I'd probably give it something like 5.5 to 6 informality. I think you could use it in an informal conversation. You might say immoral or corrupt informally. Yes, it's something better used probably in a semi-formal or formal writing. It's a good word, sounds much better than immoral, for example. And then the origin of depraved, it comes to us from Latin through Old French, deprave in Old French, and then in Latin, deprivare, to pervert, to distort, to corrupt, from de pravus, day of, and then pravus, crooked, distorted, wicked, or perverse. Okay, so he's just I think Europe's policy to refugees It's not totally depraved, but it could be a lot better and a lot more generous. Okay, so depraved. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Depraved.